If your business is not on social media yet, then I hate to break it to you, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. How much exactly? Well, check this out. As of the time of this video, there are more than 3.4 billion internet users worldwide. 2.3 billion of them are on social media. That's nearly every 7 in 10 people. And in 2016, Facebook has 1.59 billion users, Instagram has 400 million users, Pinterest has 100 million users. Now, you're probably thinking, hey, if I could have done it, I would have already done it, right? And what's wrong with email and other forms of old-school marketing? Well, according to Hootsuite, social media advertising budgets doubled worldwide over the last 2 years, going from $16 billion in 2014 to a whopping $31 billion in 2016. Social media spending in the U.S. alone is expected to increase to $17.34 billion in 2019. In 2016, Facebook brought in $6.8 billion in advertising revenue, up from $4.3 billion the year before. In the same year, Instagram brought in $1.53 billion in mobile ad revenue. The number of YouTube channels earning 6 figures per year is up 50% year over year. Hard not to see where this is going. Now, if you're having a tough time finding new customers, or keeping your current database of buyers engaged and interested, or standing out from the rest of your competitors and other Me Too marketers, then this might just be the missing puzzle piece. And what if I tell you it doesn't always have to be like this? Until now, that is, because I'm about to show you how you can instantly modernize your business and give it the presence it deserves. While most people casually use social media for rewardless debates and spending idle time, I'm going to show you how to turn your social media accounts into an instant ATM. And even if you don't have a business yet, that's okay, because this is a business in itself. With your permission, I'd like to introduce Social Media Income. Social Media Income is a huge 36-part course on how you, or anyone, can use some of the most popular social media platforms to grow your business, build a brand, generate leads, and get sales. This isn't some theoretical stuff. It's backed by tens of thousands of dollars and countless hours spent cracking the code. And unlike most courses out there that cover just one method or one social media platform, this mega training program covers 5: Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube. Here's what you'll learn. How to utilize Facebook Live as a sales funnel. How to reach a targeted audience by optimizing YouTube SEO. How to customize LinkedIn messages to expand your network. How to hold Instagram contests to gain fame and exposure. How to gain more views with Pinterest Rich Pin. And much more waiting to be discovered inside. For many reasons, social media income stands on its own merits, and I know of social media gurus charging prices like $2,000 and above for their programs. But I have no intention of charging anything exorbitant today. In fact, I want to make this as affordable as possible so everyone can discover the mastery of social media. Personally, I think it's a shame that we are surrounded by an abundance of opportunities, which is growing day by day, but they remain undertapped or underutilized, and I hope this will change the way you do business. Act now. Click on the order button below to get instant online access. If you're still thinking about it, look, just maybe will do. You see, social media income is backed by my 100% satisfaction guarantee, or it's your money back for the next 30 days. Just give it a go, and I'll let the quality of the training speak for itself. However, if for any reason at all you are not satisfied with it, simply return within 30 days for a full refund. You have nothing to lose, unless you don't care about growing your business, which you'd be out of your mind. So what are you waiting for? Click on the order button now and get instant access risk-free.